Samsung's latest smartwatches are finally here, and much like last year's lineup, the Galaxy Watch 6 series includes two models. The base Galaxy Watch 6 is available in 40mm and 44mm variants, while the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic comes in 43mm and 47mm sizes. Both models are available with or without cellular connectivity at a starting price of $300 for the Galaxy Watch 6 and $400 for the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. The latter has a better build and a few additional features, but is it worth the $100 premium? That's exactly what we'll help you find out. Read on to learn whether you should spend extra on the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic or if the regular Galaxy Watch 6 is better suited for you. Although Samsung's latest smartwatches might look the same as older models at first glance, Samsung has made some minor changes on the design front. The Galaxy Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic feature 20% larger displays and 30% slimmer bezels than last year's models. In addition, the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic brings back the much-loved rotating bezel from the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. However, it's 15% thinner and gives the watch a sleeker appearance like the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, even though the latter lacks a rotating bezel. Build quality-wise, the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic is decidedly more premium. It has a polished stainless steel case and comes with a hybrid eco-leather band, whereas the regular Galaxy Watch 6 has an aluminum case and ships with a silicone strap. However, both watches feature a sapphire crystal class on the display to prevent scratches during everyday use. You also get IP68 dust and water resistance, along with a MIL STD 810H rating on both models. Galaxy Watch 6 is Watch 6 Classic. Specifications. While Samsung's latest smartwatches aren't all that different on the design front, the Galaxy Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic have some noteworthy improvements. The new Exynos W930 chip is the most noteworthy upgrade, and it should deliver a significant performance boost compared to the Exynos W920 chip on the Galaxy Watch 5 series. The new models now also have 2GB of RAM, 20% larger displays with a peak brightness of 2000 nits, and bigger batteries for improved performance, visibility, and endurance. As far as the health and fitness tracking sensors are concerned, the Galaxy Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic feature Samsung's bioactive optical heart rate, electrical heart signal, bioelectrical impedance analysis sensor, temperature sensor, accelerometer, gyroscope, barometer, geomagnetic sensor, and a light sensor. The premium model also has a 3D Hall sensor, which is not available on the regular Galaxy Watch 6. You also get Bluetooth 5.3, dual-band Wi-Fi, NFC, and GPS support on both models for connectivity. In addition, the cellular variants also have LTE support. Galaxy Watch 6 is Watch 6 Classic. Features and battery life. On the software front, the Galaxy Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic run One UI 5 watch based on the new Wear OS 4. The software experience offers all the health and fitness tracking features on the Galaxy Watch 5 series, including step tracking, continuous heart rating monitoring, exercise modes, and more. Furthermore, the Galaxy Watch 6 series also brings support for irregular heart rhythm notifications, personalized heart rate zones, improved sleep tracking with in-depth sleep scores, sleep coaching, and auto-switching between connected Samsung devices. Samsung has also introduced a new ThermoCheck app that utilizes a new API to allow users to measure the temperature of water contact-free before going for a swim, and updated camera controls. The Wear OS 4 build includes support for the new Google Calendar and Gmail apps for Wear OS as well, but we're not sure if it has all the new features that Google highlighted at I/O earlier this year. Despite featuring bigger displays, Samsung claims the Galaxy Watch 6 and Galaxy Watch 6 Classic offer better battery life than previous models. The company says both models can last up to 40 hours on a single charge without always-on display enabled, and up to 30 hours with the feature turned on. Which one is right for you? Now that you know pretty much everything about Samsung's latest smartwatches, it should be easy to pick one over the other based on your requirements. However, if you're still confused, I believe the Galaxy Watch 6 is the better buy for most people. It offers all the features you get with a premium model, except the rotating bezel and 3D Hall sensor, so you won't miss out on much in terms of features. It's not as well built as the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, but it's not cheaply made either. The difference in build materials is to be expected since it's $100 cheaper. If you really like the rotating bezel or want a premium smartwatch with a durable stainless steel case and a comfy eco-leather band, you should go with the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic instead. But these features alone aren't worth the $100 premium, in my opinion. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.